Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com, and in this video we want to go over a really awesome mid-wheel drive power wheelchair called the Compass Sport. It's made by Golden Technologies. Now this is a mid-wheel drive power wheelchair that has a super tight turning radius. It turns in a complete 180 within its own footprint, which makes it really unique. It also has a 24-mile battery range, which is really nice. Really long battery range. It's plenty of range to get you through an entire day. And it does have a patented suspension on the chassis, which we'll show you here in just a second. But this video, we really just want to do a ride along in this video to kind of give you more of a first person point of view. We have done another video on this in the past, but we didn't actually ride the chair, just to show you what it feels like and just talk about the feeling of the chair and go over the functionality of it just from a user standpoint. So one thing that's pretty cool about the chair, it has a depth adjustable seat, so you can adjust the depth. You actually can move these bolts, make it more of a depth up front, or you can make it not as big on the front of the chair. The armrests are width adjustable. You just adjust this knob right here, and you can adjust the armrest out, or more of a wider seating area, I should say. You can also adjust the height of the armrest. Armrest also flip up, which is nice. And the joystick can be adjusted out. So if you wanted to get longer arms, you can adjust the joystick out further, which is really nice. Comes standard with the seat belt, and the patented suspension, or the chassis on here, is really nice. So I'll actually show you how it works. So if I lift this, you can see the give on this, and that really provides more of a smoother ride. It's got a pretty large foot plate that flips up. It makes it easier to get in and out of the seat. So the Compass Sport is the smaller version of the Compass HD. So they're very similar mid-wheel drive power wheelchairs. The difference between the two chairs, the Compass Sport has a 300-pound weight capacity, and it has a 24-mile battery range. The Compass HD, which is very similar, heavy-duty mid-wheel drive power wheelchair, that has a 450-pound weight capacity, but the range is only 12 miles. They have the same patented chassis, which gives it a nice smooth ride. And one thing that's really noticeable about these chairs is they are quiet. They're really smooth. The seats are really comfortable too, which I really like that. It's an indoor-outdoor chair, so you can take it in grass. I can actually turn right within its own footprint. So if you're in a really tight space, or you need to, like, say for example, you're in your house and you need to, like, you're in a small bathroom, for example, or you're right in a corner of a hallway, it's really easy to just turn it all the way around and exit. As far as the controls, pretty easy, pretty simple. You have your power button, which is right here. So just press that to turn it on and off. It's kind of hard to see in the daytime, but that is your battery gauge right here. It is about 75% charged. Each of these dots will start to disappear when it's time to recharge the battery. Here's your horn. And this is your speed control. So right now it's set to the top speed. I can move this dial down here when we're at the lowest setting, very slow. This is good if you're in a crowded area with a lot of people. You might want to set it at the speed, but if I move the speed dial all the way to the top setting, you can see the difference in speed. It's much faster. It says the top speed is 4 miles per hour. I think it goes a little faster, honestly. So Golden Technologies really is more well known for their lift chair division, but they do have their power mobility division. They don't have a lot of power wheelchairs, but the ones that they do have, such as the Compass Sport or the Compass HD, they're super high quality, really well made. We've been working with Golden Technologies for a long time. They are one of the best brands in the industry. They have excellent support. They have an excellent warranty, and their warranty does include a 1-year labor contract. So if you have any issues within the first year, they'll try to troubleshoot it over the phone with you, but if they can't, they'll send a technician to you for the first year, which is really nice. Just gives you additional peace of mind. So if you have any questions about the Compass Sport or really any of Golden Technologies powered mobility products and their power line, definitely call us. We have agents standing by. We're open every single day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Or you can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.